Learn how to make a delicious pasta dish in under 20 minutes.
You will need 200 grams of pasta, 2 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, fresh basil and parmesan cheese.
Bring a pot of water to a boil, add a pinch of salt and cook the pasta according to the package instruction. While the pasta is cooking, chop the garlic and saute it in olive oil until golden. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until soft. Drain the pasta and add it to the sauce. Mix well to coat the pasta evenly. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and a generous amount of grated parmesan cheese. Your quick and easy pasta is ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.